Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad S540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad S540 won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue may stem from a faulty motherboard, which is critical for your device's operation. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications, including data loss or the need for a more extensive repair. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrical damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you can now see the motherboard. The common issue is often with the power connection on the motherboard itself. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you identify the faulty component, you will need to disconnect the cables gently. Remember to use the spudger to avoid any static electricity damage. Next, remove the screws that secure the motherboard in place. Apply a moderate amount of force, but be careful not to strip the screws. Once the screws are out, lift the motherboard gently from its housing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After extracting the faulty component, replace it with a new one. Ensure it is fitted securely in place, and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Before closing everything up, double-check that there are no loose screws or disconnected cables. Once everything is in place, carefully snap the back cover back onto the device and reinsert the screws. Make sure it's tightly secured but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your laptop is kept in a dry environment and avoid overloading it with heavy programs. Regularly check for software updates and perform maintenance to keep your device in optimal condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.